Hello, my friend.
Yes.
Good evening.
Yes.
I'm from Jeba.
Yes.
I'm asking you,
Yes.
do you know your hotel is?
Yes.
My friend, I want to go and sleep. I told you that I'm from Jeba. Told me the way is. Yes. I'm asking the hotel. Yes. Are you hearing English? Yes. My friend, did you understand what I'm talking?
Yes.
You are not hearing English.
Yes.
I beg my friend come. Please, I'm asking you. Please, where the hotel is? I'm from Jeba here. I need to go and sleep.
Okay.
Okay. So show me the way.
Okay. Okay.
My friend, I'm asking you the hotel. I want to go and sleep.
Okay. Okay.
All of you here are not hearing English.
Okay.
In Jesus' name. Let me see here.